Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the grid lines in camera application in this device. So in this device, when you open this one, you can see there is no grid line. So let me show you how to enable this grid line in this device. First of all, open the camera. Now we need to go to the camera settings. Tap on the four dots here. You can see, tap on this one. Now tap on settings. Now scroll down. Okay, so here you can see the option composition guide. Turn on this option. Tap on this one. Now you can see some options. You can see here grid line and level. Grid lines only, level only. So from here, if you want to view or enable only the grid lines, you can select the second option, grid lines only. Now if you go to your camera, you can see now the grid lines is enabled in this device. So simply in this way you can enable the grid lines in camera application in this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.